We have that 2019 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss. We installed this really nice hard folding cover. It's called the UnderCover Armor Flex. It has that Line-X coated finish. It sits inside the bed. It has a low profile design. You get a 5-year warranty on it. It matches the bed caps really nice. It has weather sealing in the front. It has an integrated tailgate seal, so you can lower your tailgate and use the bed cover. You open this by doing this from either side. You're able to flip it up in seconds. You can buckle it here and drive with it down the road in this position if you want to go down the road. You have that buckle system. Say you want to go up one more time, you get your full bed access in seconds. This cover does not touch the back window, so it has these props here that you can prop up. So now you're going down the road with this cover open. It has a secure prop system. We clamp on the rail system to the side of the bed, and if any water gets inside, it has the drain tubes in the corner. If you twist this knob in the bottom, it comes off in seconds. So you can prop it up, unfold it, integrated tailgate seal, close the cover, shut the tailgate. UnderCover Armor Flex on the Chevy Silverado new body style, Trail Boss, crew cab short bed. We also installed these nice 4-inch black steps. They go well with the color of the truck. They have a matte black finish, 4-inch wide step surface. That's all this truck needed. That set of steps and the premium hard folding cover. If you're interested in getting any of these accessories, visit truckaccessplus.com. We have the hard folding covers and the steps in stock.